English Easy Speaking.
Do you want to learn English vocabulary faster and boost your speaking skills quickly?
We can speak English.
Then, welcome to our new English practice video. In this lesson, you'll train your brain to speak English more fluently. We'll follow a fun, 4-part structure. Part 1, listening practice. Part 2, vocabulary. Part 3, listen and answer practice. Part 4, shadowing practice. Stay with me, repeat out loud, and by the end, you'll feel more confident speaking English. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Listen carefully to this short conversation at a clinic. Good morning. What brings you here today?
Good morning, doctor. I've been having a bad headache since yesterday.
I see. Do you have any other symptoms?
Yes, I also feel a bit dizzy and tired.
Have you been sleeping well lately?
Not really. I've been working late every night.
That explains it. You might just be exhausted.
Should I take any medicine?
I'll prescribe a light painkiller. But you really need to rest and drink plenty of water.
Thank you, doctor. I'll do that.
Part 2, vocabulary.
Now, let's learn some useful words and phrases from the conversation. Vocabulary.
Symptom. A sign that something is wrong with your health. Example. Fever and cough are common symptoms of the flu.
Like physical symptoms.
That along with your other symptoms.
What symptoms?
With food poisoning symptoms, but he has
Dizzy. Feeling like everything is spinning. Example. I stood up too fast and felt dizzy.
Go.
Oh, dizzy. Dizzy. I want to go home. I'm feeling dizzy.
You're making me dizzy.
Prescribe. When a doctor recommends medicine. Example. The doctor prescribed some tablets for my headache.
Doctors prescribe these. Okay, well, not these.
For doctors deciding to prescribe or not prescribe, there should be no emotion.
The way to go.
You prescribe for fixing this.
Remember, repetition is the key to fluency. Watch this video more than once. Answer the questions out loud. And keep practicing every day. The more you repeat, the faster you'll improve.
Part 3, listen and answer practice.
Now, let's check your understanding of the conversation. I'll ask questions, you answer out loud before I reveal the correct answer.
Good morning. What brings you here today?
Good morning, doctor. I've been having a bad headache since yesterday.
Why did the patient visit the doctor? Because he had a bad headache. Since when has the patient had the headache? Since yesterday. What greeting does the doctor use? Good morning. What greeting does the patient give back? Good morning, doctor. Do you have any other symptoms?
Yes, I also feel a bit dizzy and tired.
What other symptoms does the patient mention? Dizziness and tiredness. Have you been sleeping well lately?
Not really. I've been working late every night.
What does the doctor ask about after hearing the symptoms? He asks if the patient has been sleeping well. Has the patient been sleeping well lately? No, he hasn't. Why hasn't the patient been sleeping well? Because he has been working late every night. That explains it. You might just be exhausted. What does the doctor think is the main cause of the problem? The patient might be exhausted.
Should I take any medicine?
I'll prescribe a light painkiller. But you really need to rest and drink plenty of water. What medicine does the doctor prescribe? A light painkiller. What does the doctor tell the patient to drink? Plenty of water. What does the doctor tell the patient to do besides drinking water? To rest well. What does the patient ask before the doctor gives advice? He asks, "Should I take any medicine?"
Thank you, doctor. I'll do that.
Does the patient agree to follow the doctor's advice? Yes, he says, "I'll do that." How does the patient thank the doctor? He says, "Thank you, doctor."
Great job! Keep answering out loud, your brain learns faster that way.
Part 4, Shadowing Practice.
Now, it's time for shadowing practice. Repeat each line right after you hear it. Focus on the rhythm and the way the words rise and fall.
Good morning. What brings you here today? I see. Do you have any other symptoms? Have you been sleeping well lately? That explains it. You might just be exhausted. I'll prescribe a light painkiller. But you really need to rest and drink plenty of water.
Good morning, doctor. I've been having a bad headache since yesterday. Yes, I also feel a bit dizzy and tired. Not really. I've been working late every night. Should I take any medicine? Thank you, doctor. I'll do that. Well done, you've completed all 4 parts of today's English speaking practice. Repeat this video every day for 1 week, and you'll notice a big improvement in your listening and speaking skills. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out another practice video right here. Keep going, your English will get better and better. See you next time.